Okay, quickly in this video I'll be showing us how to make a placket that is to be carrying a zigzag at the front there using the fabric. I believe we already know how to make our placket. So what we have here is 1.5 by 16. 1.5 by 16. This is the placket that I want to use. So we'll be using this other fabric to make a zigzag. Now this fabric, there are two ways. You get your piece of fabric onto 1 inch, now fold into 2, then you now sew and you turn. Make sure it's very long, fold it into 2 and sew. That is one method. The second method is you fold into 2, then you sew. As you can see the thread there, you just sew it in form of your belt. So this is another method. Then the third method is you cut into 2 again and use your hemi gum. You weave both edges round and use your hemi gum to gum all through, whichever one you use. So we'll be doing that. So now watch carefully. As this is your placket, like I said, we already know how to form our placket, right? So you place this, as you can see, you place this, making sure it's at the edge. Take note, this is at the edge. Place this at the edge, then you now fold. You fold this, you now take this, now take it under. So let's go to our machine now to work on it. Okay, so as you can see, you place this, like I said, you open your placket. Take note, you open your placket into 2, you open it, then you now place this. Make sure the good side is facing you. Make sure it's at this edge. So now okay, so now so at least 2 inches away. So we now fold this down. Watch carefully. Fold this down, right? Fold this down. Then now fold again. And fold. We're trying to make a zigzag there. Okay. Then you now fold again and you bend again. Just make sure that it's very small and the edges are very sharp. That is the beauty. Okay. So we are doing this on top of our placket. So now take it again. So we'll be doing this down to the end. So watch. So we'll be doing this down to the end. Okay. So now take it again. As you can see, make sure that edges are sharp and make sure this. Alright, so when you get to the end, you just go down straight. So take this straight. Okay, so this is how to go. So just stop stitch the second part. Okay, so we're through. It's looking very beautiful. So this is how to go about it. Alright, so as you can see, it's looking very beautiful, right? Okay, so when you're through, you do your regular normal gumming and all of that. So this is how to make this placket. So you can also do it on your pockets. If you want to, you can do it on your pockets. Alright, so when you're through with that, you also make your second placket. When you're through with that, you already know how to do this. So you gum this 3/4 of an inch. Then you gum this. Make sure the down part is always wider than the front. So you put your slit towards your left, towards the right at least. Make sure you're having at least half inch. So you now fix this. So when you're through, you fix the smaller one towards your left. The smaller one, this is the smaller one, right? Which is the, so now put our hemi gum. So we'll put our hemi gum here at the down. We'll put our hemi gum and let's gum. So you gum, as you can see, gum it. Okay, so when you're through, you go to your machine and you top stitch. Make sure you just sew at the edge. So let's fix the second one. So you pick up this second one, take note of the pattern, as you can see. Make sure you cut, so you open this as well. You also open this. Then you now place this inside. Take note, now place this inside. Remember the length. Okay, still not open enough. Okay, so now place this inside. Just place this inside as shown. Alright, make sure it's at the center there. Okay, so we'll now put our hemi gum at the down as well. We'll now put our hemi gum too. Okay, so when you're through, so you have that looking very neat. As you can see, it's looking very neat. So you go and sew it. So now sew the edges round. So now sew this round. So this is how to go about fixing this stuff to yours. You can see this is how to go about it. All right, so the next thing is for you to join your back, your front, to design it. To go ahead to design. In this case, I already fixed my pockets. I already done my pocket there. Then you also attach this to this. So here we go. So that's it. This is how it will look like. Once again, you're watching PJ Collection Clothing.